What the fuck is an engine swap? Fucking pulling out your tiny ass 1.6-liter engine out and putting V10 8-liter Viper engine instead. The craziest mod you can ever do to your car. But why? Motherfucker, you literally changing your whole damn engine. Which means fucking totally different sound, double the power, and double the issues. Fucking worth it? Fuck yeah. Now it's question time, motherfucker. What's the best and most famous engine swap? You're wrong, dumbass. It's not the 2JZ, it's the LS. This fucking engine was literally swapped to anything you can think of. Mazda Miata? LS swap. Fucking bike? LS swap. Your mom? LS swap. Fucking massive engine. And you know what else is massive? Anyway, don't forget to follow me or your engine will blow.